First, turn the motor on. Start the drum rotation. Start the drum rotation counterclockwise. Load the machine with water and cement. Water first, always. To lift the drum, put the rotation in neutral. Raise the drum handle. As you need the concrete to come out, you can rotate the drum either direction to discharge. Keep raising the drum to get more flow or more discharge. Of course, raise the drum all the way. And turn the drum in either direction. This drum was loaded with water, so it's discharging the water. Well, that drum's clean. This particular drum's at a customer's facility, and they've used it many times, and the drum is very, very clean. It's surprising how clean it is. They take good care of it. Stop the rotation. Lower the drum. And as far as cleanup goes, power washer or just simply putting water in the drum and letting it rotate's good enough for common cleanup. I mean, really, a power washer is what you want to use.